Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation. Today is another hot banger from you guys, and please, if you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon. You cannot just watch and go. It is not good. Support us by subscribing. We're not asking you to pay. Support us, subscribe. Subscribe to our super thanks and also our membership to get exclusive offer if you do so. All right, guys, let's dive into this one. Let's go.
My husband, thank you. So my daughter, they go Harvard. I go become mama of Harvard graduate. Hey!
Not happy too much. Go say say by the end of this year, you no go remain like this, so you don't slim down. Money no there to feed you. All the money don't go Harvard.
Now because of my daughter, no problem. No, you can't do that. It's too big now, see.
Don't do it like that.
Can you not see it? It's big.
Are you afraid?
You don't again my carry man come my house. You got me more. Move that boy.
Ah, shit.
Oh, see, you're one of those boys who they spoil people's daughters, Abi.
No, sir, I'm a breeder. I registered my business under the Saio work, sir. Sir, you can ask her. She ordered me from the Saio app.
What's going on here?
Just give me to render my service. So if you think I'm lying, you can check on the Google Play Store or the App Store for the app, sir. I'm not lying.
Okay, no one, I'll come back to you later. You do with cough and a dog with this. I don't understand. Wait till you want boy.
Let's have it.
Daddy, Caucasian now.
Now who won't send go Harvard with this?
Can never make it. In that Talkless.
Let's watch the video. With this fine girl.
Continue.
Where's my chairman?
Talkless. How you doing now?
I the boss.
Wait till buy.
May I wait for her, make she finish first.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
You dey use your function to
May not be like say we dey cheat girls now.
Okay.
Fine girl.
I'm back, gag.
How many cup?
1 deka.
Guy don't finish you. So be like saying I 2 cups day.
What you go do like this?
You no go vex. Now waiting you need be that. Now if you bring her like that.
Hey bros, that's guys I don't like you. So when I come I say we respect people. I say make this girl make she finish. Like start my own. I don't want wala. Make this guy make come do my back. I beg.
Wait, you know they see na emergency food you won't buy. No be here you dey since. I mean na Gary you won't buy.
No, Gary, no, Gary. I don't need that kind of thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Who talk now so that we know what we are going to do in your case?
Okay.
Wait, you don't go pay.
It's Gary don't finish and you are still there for me, big man.
Continue.
Now you go give me your number.
Fine girl.
Fine guy, they follow you the talk. Bros, what you doing now?
You know say na dey fandom.
I'm like, I won't buy you.
Let's see say I chat card don't finish since.
This girl, if they wait, they go blow trumpet. Jay, you no go here.
Oh, why not? That's too harsh. That is not your fault. It's your fault that we Talkless is stupid, guys. Waited for somebody, waited for end of the day. People wanted to ask if she's normal or she can hear also. They swear for her. You know which one there.
It's not for challenge, boy.
Alright, as you all know, my father's land also belongs to me. And I will sell it.
Adageri, what's the meaning of this?
Junior!
Let's watch this video. This cannot be as a son. Junior, I give that document. Give it to him.
You will learn in the hard way.
Give it to him.
I guess I have to lock the window. In this video.
Alright, after the burial of my father.
Just have to lock the window.
Rukky.
Akim! This chapel's at the door.
The street is not for the corny. Rukky, not the pretender. No try matter. They know they use Rukky shine on. Ask questions before you do. They know they use Rukky shine on. They know they use Rukky shine on. Rukky.
Bro, my bro.
Now my baby this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she not the easy play.
Not small.
Rukky! My bro.
Sit down, sit down.
Yes, spend on this.
What you do now?
I only got hide to chop your money.
Welcome. So, what do I offer you then?
Anything okay now, water will be fine, yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, water is fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Akim! Akim!
Sir.
Please give me 2 bottles of water. Brotherly. On God,
You just be fresh.
I see you now. You chop money now.
Chop money for yeah. Nice place, eh? This one is fresh.
Yeah, I know clear.
Yeah, but I'm not the easy play. Yeah. Even when fuel cost that time, she dey go buy fuel, say she will wash the way. So you just tell me say you don't around, now I just bring her come.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Just get another glass, right?
Thank you. Hope you don't mind me taking pictures with you.
Yeah, sure.
That's snap on her.
Okay.
Rukky don't show. This one not give and take. If you price this market, you go buy and buy for. If you get your eyes, not before Rukky. This one's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We are now, my bro. We'll soon do more the rich house.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, no wahala, bro.
But if at all, make you know, you don't come. And those teachers small, we see.
Very small. Now Doris be that too.
Dolakbo.
Dollars.
Okay, I want K5 is use and press for you and your baby.
You too much, my bro.
Thank you so
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But excuse me. I would prefer you share the money, like you divide the money into two. Give me like this, or just
Voila, start.
very simple.
Talk so now. Believe yourself now.
I think let me divide the money.
You share the money for research, because you say.
I understand, but I want
Stop
him
that
to.
character, stop on.
Which character?
Stop on.
Bro, please share the money into two.
Bro, it's your boyfriend.
No worry, when I wait if you handle, I just normal.
I'm not going to handle anything. We can divide the money into two before we can go.
Bro, he's your boyfriend.
Yeah, he's my boyfriend, but I prefer the money will be divided into two. Let's divide the money into two now.
Divide this money into two, so if we come up for you, I don't give you the money if we come up for you.
You will be thief.
This is you see dollar now, your eye change.
Which one I change?
You see Doris, your eye change.
How my eye change for Doris again?
You could disgrace yourself for
Let me divide the money into two now. Now wait till I change my eyes. Divide the money into two, give me my own. Take your own now. Very simple now.
You know here before. That money, you know this place before. I bet, my bro. When they reach now, yeah, when they reach us.
No problem, like this, fine. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Sit down, they reach out. Sit down for here, beg. Divide the money into two and give me my own.
You see where the disgrace of separation. You see where the disgrace of separation. See your favorite celeb. Your favorite celeb there, they disgrace yourself.
I don't understand. You don't see Doris before.
You see Doris now, your eye change.
You don't see Doris before. You don't see Doris before for your life. You might see
my girlfriend. You see Doris now, you disgrace your body.
What did I do now? What did I do? Did I do anything wrong? I said divide the money into two and give me my own. Give me his own share. Very simple. So what I come in disgrace now? Take your own part. No, in fact, give me one part. Take 1.5. As the man of the house, I don't give you that respect.
You see when they share money from we never come up for it, they share money. Body go out.
Which house?
I'm not been talking to you.
Give me my money now. Divide this money and give me my own. I don't know that.
Let's end this.
Come on, my ring. Come on, my ring. Which spot? Take this car.
I give her.
You guys are now making give up. Begin to feel guilty. Give me guys money.
So Rukky, yeah, we saw this.
You see the way Kenny dey behave. When you see the way Kenny dey behave. He give me 1 5 and I collect my girlfriend. They not dey do good finish. The good one they do not dey come up for her mind. He give me 1 5 and I
Get out of the ice, please.
Kelly.
Get out of there. Regarding that video, guys, get one on the ice since. I will give una money and they fight for my present. I will take one. Why you take one now? Can you take his girlfriend? I never meant to take the girlfriend, but I think the both of them deserve it. How can you be fighting in the presence of who gave you guys money? I want that guy to begin to feel guilty. Let's see co-prints on this one, like this particular comedies. I don't know if it is funny or it is interesting. I don't know if we should start laughing or we should start feeling. I don't know what to do. Should we start laughing or we should start feeling sorrow? But the guy called it convert people to Christ. What do rich why would they cry? Guys, I just have to silence the background music because I'm trying to avoid copyright claim. For those of you who don't understand why I'm doing this. What do ritual be the native doctor begin to cry?
I shall boy don't love you. Don't dribble Maradona.
Wait, I'm still a virgin.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, you cannot kiss my neck. I'll get pregnant.
Your neck?
Yes, baby.
So we cannot.
Wait. Say no kiss neck.
I reject it in the mighty name of Jesus. I cast and bind it in the mighty name of Jesus. But baby, don't worry, we're going to have fun, okay? Oh, I had so much fun today. I can't wait to experience this next time. Please take care of yourself, okay?
Since morning we are going for you. See kissing. We just a kiss. They love, they hug, they laugh, they fall for each other body.
So guys, get your New Year gift from isbae right now. Register on isbae.
Some girls are actually like that. Bad luck, people.
Press take part.
We come and start stressing somebody. Somebody's
Play
son.
bet of at least 5,000 naira
Let's
games from the
open together.
game section and earn points. Collect points and open gift boxes
Being
and
dramatic.
bonuses. Points for the
Some
tournament
people for me
leaderboard
church
and
girl.
additional tickets to take part in the super prize draw, where you can win prizes. Open the promo page to check out the various prizes you can win. Let's go, young shit.
Let's see the next
I need you feeling up by the organ.
Move that boy.
Sorry. Wait, please, I need you.
I'm
Come
sorry,
back.
I have money.
I bought this car for you. I have made a lot of money. I have money now and a lot of money for you.
They mad. Hello. No, they say she do person. What do they do you? Move that boy.
When money day, they day. Nobody like they want suffer.
That nation know they say, we dey more without budget. They dey more without budget. Who you use? Sabalo. Who you use? Sabalo. Who you use? Love Nation. Who you use? Sabalo. Who you use? Sabalo. Who you use? Who you use?
Officer Woods.
Wait. Ladies and gentlemen. My family of your tonight. The king of ballers is here. The king of ballers is here. Wait. Who be Sabalo for when Viper day? Viper the one pass in the building tonight. When Viper down the steam money, let me show see the play for Sam. Money changer, go closer to Viper. Make Viper just hold that money now. Every year don't pause. Viper money, bruh. King of ballers. We do get fired. If Viper talks that money now, you don't finish. Viper the money. Hey! Money.
You did what?
Viper make you activate. Viper make you activate. Hey! What did they say? Viper on the back so. Viper on the back so. Viper all you use. Viper na
End of this comment.
Viper. So we outside. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, whoa.
Yes,
Viper, do you want to sleep with me? Ladies and gentlemen, who are people with Viper? We are outside.
Don't worry, money still there. One post for Facebook, we go recover. Viper money.
We outside. Money changer. Money changer, Sabalo, so let you bring 3 bundles. Sabalo, they spray. Viper, they spray. Who is Sabalo? Where Viper day? Viper, they activate. He is the king of ballers.
They say, one man down, you're doing well.
Child of God, you're not doing well. One man down. Now your savings in the enter so.
Don't know. Leave
no
me.
man, continue. Viper money. Viper
money. One time. This is the clash of the titans. Viper the Viper Sabalo. They are yet to activate.
Sabalo money don't come down. You don't
money
go
tonight.
down. You're about to defeat him. Keep it up.
They're activating money tonight. Viper they spray. Sabalo they spray. They party.
Money don't finish. No stop. Show am say no be DG, una no be mate. Give us.
Sabalo money don't finish. Viper don't they spray. Viper the Viper. The last man standing. Celebrate, don't know what thing God do for them.
You are spraying at the end of the day. You
don't
want it. Don't worry.
Another one pack.
Don't worry.
Viper now. Make una feel. Hey, whoa. Viper, which style you want? Talk to me, Viper.
Where's the drink now? Bring the drink.
Sabalo! How you doing? You don't tell me I see your content, or you see the shoot?
No, I don't.
Why? I see the shoot skit now, they post.
Nice, so you're doing well, eh? I saw what you were trying to do the other time, you know? You're trying to show yourself before you ran out of money.
Yes, I know. As I sprayed the other time, my leg, they pay me. So I...
Jesus!
Hey! I still get some money when I never spray finish. Hey, come. You know, so when I spray that time, my leg, they pay me. So I don't get strength. So I want me to go, in fact, go spray all this money, go spray all of them.
Agara.
After you see the shoe skits?
Once.
Yeah, God will help you, eh?
Are they hurry, eh?
Oh shit!
Where my babe? Babe!
Yes?
What did they do there?
I tire.
Hey! You guys see money now, she meow.
Viper, if you don't go help me tell that bad mama bring the drink for us.
What have I done?
This is a life lesson. This is a life
You didn't threaten me.
Not everything.
Hey!
Konyoko.
You dey want?
They play the show now we they do.
Resist it. 2 gallons and 2 gari will not be enough. Lifetime gari will be enough. Didn't just give up because of anything, but because
baby, you're back already.
You know how long you
I don't understand when that one starts. For house where they pay, they have to say something. Come, please for us to watch. You don't wash it.
Yes, I've watched it.
You don't mop that dining table.
Sorry, I forget. I think I will do that now.
What will be your problem this man? No, talk first. For this whole thing, we say, and I mean they can't everything for my head. I go pay bills. Feed you, buy you clothes. Don't do things. Come on, things for house. Don't they worry you. You the craze.
Nonsense.
Because I need to move my hand, I beg.
Don't worry.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hey, boy. I beg, where you dey?
What's happened?
They don't almost catch me for where I go collect to pray. Now backyard I dey like this.
You know, say I know they turn up for girls now.
I know say no they turn up for girls. I beg, don't let them look me for face, pour me spit.
Okay, don't. Where you dey like this now?
No me can do speedies.
Let's move.
Am I entering that place?
Just now.
Okay.
Black Jesus.
Where this boy? Babe! I bet me carry check come and some collect fresh air. Hey, Oga, come. You see where the camera dustbin go?
Madam, walk clear your dirty now.
I don't understand. When this one full? This is never full now. What's happen? No, it's never full. I'm going to come every 3 times in a week, 4 times in a week. Another person they pay extra money for dustbin. I believe I'm never full.
Madam, walk clear your dirty like this now.
Yeah, Chris. I'm going to see what you now. Okay, I say you never full. Leave her. I'm going to check for you. Go for you. Go where they go. They go. I should go. Make they see your back.
Babe, allow him to trash it now. The thing is smelly.
How could they kill you, the Chris? Let them pay the money. And yourself for leave her for me. In fact, maybe by next week, once you don't just leave her for me. See them they smell self.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
Let's still look your face. Pour you spit. She actually received that spit that she was running.
Water! Chairman! My spirit said I'll give you this water. Yes, sir.
Hey, no say I need water.
Chairman!
Yes?
Your spirit's not tell you anything.
No, thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Chairman! Now see your spirit tell you that.
What do you get respect?
No worry, they go. Hey, that one don't waste. Water! Chairman! My spirit said I'll give you this water.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Wait, no open now. Your spirit not tell you anything.
My spirit not tell me anything, no.
Your spirit supposed to reciprocate now, but since your spirit's now dumb, give me the water. Leave the water. Water!
This one where your spirit just command you to the dash water anyhow. How much be your gain?
Baba, now what my spirit tell me I want to do now? Bros! My spirit say I give you this water.
Your spirit asked you to give me.
Yes, sir.
I never knew good people like you still exist.
Try.
For this kindness, I have something for you. Take everything.
The money is even more than the water. So it's better that way.
Thank you very much, sir.
Don't mention, you deserve it.
Bros, my spirit say I give you this water. My spirit say I give you this water.
Bros, my spirit say I give you this water. My spirit say you can have this water. My spirit say you should take this water.
165, 166, 167, 168.
Oh wait, now just dashing of water now we make this kind of amount.
Imagine say we come Adam, Coke and Gala.
Oh my God!
Wow, that would be a massive cash out.
Life is simple.
That is another craze with that one. Might have a massive cash out.
No me can do speedies. Osasu! Kelechuku back or Bertram. You still remember my full name? Why no go remember your full name? No be why I be class captain. See my student. You don't deal. No, just deal. What of that your best friend? Also, Chukwemeka Stevie. If that reminds me, Seth. We will get reunion next week. They never invite you. I wonder why. Think I send you the invite now. So you don't feel it. When I want go do reunion, I no call class captain. When I never see change. See how nature cut on you now. You don't give me your number, make I send you the IV. See my student, very stubborn boy that time. Send me address. I'll send you a message. My brother. My captain. Give me Gala, I beg.
Hey, is this what you're putting on to get together?
I don't dare near the transformer, and I'm not there yet. Okay, no wahala. These students, they never still change. Always late. To see my school with them now, I write their name for late comer. You go cry, don't worry.
No,
Osasu, my pack they call.
I don't blame you. I blame myself.
Baba, see pressure now. Best that they come.
Osasu, my class captain.
I clap.
Osevia wisdom.
Class captain. About the book where you come and I hear you end. Jesus.
Osaimia wisdom, aka Osasu, class captain. What a life.
People they help your friend.
Under pressure, protect up to the combo sheet. What's that job?
Alpha, now you happen no, I don't know now. My name is Tobias.
Run no.
When no my classmate do ritual, there go God.
No be your own money. Now legal money with they make now brain work. Not go work, you go cry.
You didn't make it. You started out before. Make it illegally. That was a big lie.
Chama, good morning, sir. What is the problem?
You must be very stupid.
Chama, what did I do?
Project where I give you since 2 days ago. You never even start foundation. Everywhere see that today.
Oh, Chama, you know that we cannot start the project without clearing the bush. And you can see someone is already clearing the bush already.
This is the reason why I don't want to give you this project. I wanted to give it to somebody else, and you are begging me.
You walk with this alive.
My late brother picking me that.
Hey, I like it. Hey, brother.
Boss! Shh! I thought as much. Very hardworking young man. Straight well, eh? No make a move.
Thank God.
Is it because of 250,000 that you're disturbing me like this? Calm down, baby girl. Once I catch one odoguna, I'll clear him for you now. I'll even add extra money for you.
Hello,
Calm down
Crity.
now.
Excuse me. Let me be the odogu wey go clear the bill for you now. If you don't mind, BTC their body, money day.
Really?
You know, this is one of my land. I still have 7 more in this estate. I just want build skyscraper here. I'm working on it already. I just disguise myself based on 1 or 2. Who I can't know, but let me send the money. So you know that I'm real. Eh?
You know that I'm real, man.
Okay. I don't send the person 300,000. The person is not owing you. Come, let me spoil you, eh? Money day. Ayana, let's go. Let's go and enjoy ourselves. Don't mind the way I was dressing, eh? Let's go. Don't worry. Let me be a gentleman. Let me open the door for you, eh? Enter motor. Uncle.
Huh? You clear, be no clear.
How you did one?
Now me want to see your car, your land. You see me come they go the front job man for that place. Eh? Who's the boss now? Tell me, say na me.
Uncle, now you be the boss.
Maybe the boss, Abi.
Yeah.
I should go back first.
Uncle.
Chief.
Uncle. Hey! My life don't spoil like
Your life never spoil.
Uncle.
You never see anything.
Uncle.
I beg, I'm very, very depressed. I don't know whether one girl go fear me with doggy.
Doggy kill you there. Let's see the next one, guys. Let's go.
Don't they play me guy for? They don't they play me guy for? They don't they play me guy play me, but I see the.
Nice one.
Mama, I swear to God, it's not what you think.
Oh! With all this evidence, we show for your face. You this local village boy, what carry come from Calabar. After everything what I don't do for you, you still get mine, they cheat on me. I rent house for you. In fact, Adamu, carry things come for him. The only thing where you carry come this Lagos now, gas and water. Hey! Go back to that your pounding business.
Mama, if I go back to my pounding business, who will come to pound you?
If I say you the craze for your head, I don't want to see you for my house again.
Mama, I swear to God, it's my first time. It's my first time. It's my first time.
Adamu, you know what to do.
Jesus.
Mama! Your mama.
Don't worry.
No.
If they tell me something on my wisdom, this guy thing go fear put to me. I not go believe for my life. Now they regret and they cry. I not believe.
Sometimes, being a sugar boy is risky. That is one of the risks. Let's see SK on this one, guys. I don't really know what's going to happen yet. This one.
I don't feel the store again.
Let's
I don't feel this store again. Because things they finish for inside this store.
But the money I'm not the same. Go cut everything inside this store. Let me offer go with the last week, Baba, you cut out. See your calm down. So that anything you say, I don't say I don't need the money they enter. Because I'm not able to see the money again for the office. Not come say Oga, just dey do it you take your report.
Guys, you know this much.
Not call me Oga. You dey want try to talk me so that make I comot pressure now. Now you dey do so now.
So if you know this much, you'll get beefy.
And you know what you dey talk. I cannot get beefy. Now money matter and I must follow up. I'm go touch the person who be like say dey behind all this place one. And the day be like say I'm go touch the corporate. I'm not go forgive her. I swear to God.
What did they behind anything?
You know what you like? Look, you share. I don't call. Where you call? My customer, you won't fight my customer. So you take. How about it? Take care.
What's he want by Oga? We get brick or yeah, we get
Come here, guys.
we get tires.
God, for this nigga, I want use my head for me. You can't go with this one now. What did they say 150 last time? They say 200 for me. See, if I hold this, after Oga Jackie Brown, Oga Jackie Brown, look here. Look, see. Look where he said for me. When they sell 150, they sell 200 for me. After you know if they talk to me now. Let me just sell that for me.
Hello? My brother.
And this is SK's company.
Good afternoon.
Let me be Jackie Brown Autos.
I be, but I ain't saying I ain't be Jackie Brown Autos now. Which one be now you again?
Hello, Engineer Ken.
Alpha, look here.
They come in for inside shop.
Now you. Hello.
Now they see for you every time they come. Every time I come here, what they say for me now times 2.
Can I be Jackie Brown?
Yes, now they give me receipts.
Who get shop with this slim?
200,000.
Why
I
will make up?
130 at the seller.
This man already cheat me, you.
And my brother, I don't already see the account we get this. But what you did, they say, I might get your account. I just transfer this thing for you. I bet me you know vets. You know, say, maybe this we get workshop now. We know the kind of workout we do account for China. We don't concern.
Thank you, that's thank you very much.
Me, you know vets, eh?
Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
God bless you.
Please don't say this for me. I talk and still get out.
Where are you going? Tell me where you're going.
Hey, Mecca! The son of Phoebe. You think you are wise? You deceive me!
You even deceived me too, my brother.
You deceive us!
Yeah.
I run back to the city. You appear here now. Hey, Mecca! Hey, Mecca! Oh, Jim! Hey, Mecca! Appear! Small boy. A child that cannot differentiate the tail of a lizard to that of a crocodile. Crocodile will swallow him.
As soon as what I'm ready for Burundi, are you with me?
What did I do now too?
You are bad guy.
I'm saying that money that I don't make, or I get one thing what I get. Is it today?
I'm going to go back to your body.
Me, your landlord.
What? This is crazy, guys.
Oh, which kind of spiritual and physical problem with this one?
Did he manage to come back?
Okay, why?
How did he manage?
Is this now you that you came now? You say you not come, since you not come. That's come.
But you know I'm still a virgin, that's why.
You're a virgin? You didn't tell me now. Well, this small. Gentle.
Just be calm.
I always want to have you.
The way that you touched me. Let's go upstairs. That is like electric charge. Oh, my girl. So that's why he now wants to be doing shakara. Who's that? Who are you?
Okay, you no go vex. You no go vex.
Who let you in?
Now, what thing we learn how to do home delivery. So we badge into people's homes.
Home delivery.
Babe, are you expecting anything?
I'm not expecting anything. Mr. Man, what is this now? What are you opening now?
Now your doctor now say make I can't deliver your test result for infection.
Hey, hold it there. What do you mean? Babe,
what's going on here?
Go upstairs, I'm coming.
Hey, madam, wait, never go say I'm say you get serious infection.
Hey, hold it down. What's going on rubbish now?
Infection, bawo.
No, it's so what is that?
Wait, what's going on here first?
Sit here.
Man, the best.
You want to give me infection?
Where's evidence?
I know say you could tear him. I photocopy, I'm not worried. Then full here. Then we full house.
You see your life.
Sama, you cannot live in this place.
I swear. What nonsense is that? Get prepared for me.
Manifest devotion.
Hola, my bag. Somebody help me.
Oh my God. I beg, forgive your boy. I no go do am again.
Nami be ìjọba àjàìbọ, ìjọba lápá, ìjọba lẹ́kí.
Thank you so much. Bros. Bros, you still there here? Why you dey near me now?
Okay. You never give me my coat now.
Your coat? Oh.
God have mercy upon us.
Thank
Look at my face.
Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
For everything.
You don't know it.
As I was saying, where is my coat inside the tag?
We still dey talk about the Bible.
You never give me my own coat now.
Bros, abeg, waiting safe. Abeg, come dey go. Why not dey fit help person? This small bag wey you collect for me now, you don dey ask for your own coat. Now you walk the walk wey dey inside for me. Abeg, come dey go, Joe.
Person where they help, we no show love. You go later time, you no go see. You go still need me one day.
Abeg, dey go. Now we go punish you with that coat.
Boom.
My bag. Help me now, my bag.
Let's watch this video. Some food. Let's watch this.
Bros, thank you. You are a blessing to me.
My name na blessing. See, I know say for waiting don't happen, you don't learn your lesson.
My brother, I don't learn.
Oh yeah, bless us.
Bros, like I talked before, now only God fit bless person. Our reward now for heaven is there.
Oh, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go.
Permanent.
No me can do speedy.
Sorry.
No me can do CLK be that.
May God not allow them.
This time is permanent. You're not going to see that money. In fact, that bag again, like
out on YouTube.
Choose.
Watch it and thank me later. You will love it. Yeah, they come. No contact, no straight ahead, sir. Move, yeah. What's the sir?
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful.
No mention alone. But you no press with money, me I go mention.
Actually, I have something worth more than money.
Okay? You just said that.
Wait till this. But bros, no lie you. These robots get yash.
Kekere, my ex.
Aduni, nǹkan tó ń ṣe ló ń dùn yìí.
I'm a piano ni. You give me Peller, you no wan collect am.
Aduni, let go be bygone.
Nya. On one condition, you go twerk.
Me wait my late 20s. You want my body? Ow! Oh my God, she wow. Look your back. See your back. My left ears.
You think I'm joking? You must twerk.
Hey, Gami. So I can't twerk without kilo of yash.
Oh, yeah, twerk. That twerk is awesome. Doesn't mean they shot that guy on the yash.
Man, Rukky. Like I can't wait to see this your girl you have been talking about.
Yeah, I'm very fine, baby.
I believe you now. Maybe you again. My man.
You know these things now.
You understand?
Okay. Come in, the door is open.
Hi.
Yeah, baby. My baby.
I think we love acting.
Babe, meet my guy now, Fred.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah,
you look so beautiful.
Thank you. My life I'm telling you about.
Wow.
Yeah, she captured my attention.
The right woman for my guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be Rukky.
She holds the keys to my heart too.
I see.
Now she they control my heart.
Fine girl.
Yeah, babe. So what do you care for now?
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Anything at all.
Rukky. They go define by when they go unlucky.
Having papa friends.
You're good with this one, eh?
Yeah.
You just help yourself.
I don't know what we have to do. I smell trouble. Since that guy.
Rukky.
Yeah,
Bro. Let me just quickly catch up something. Just take care of 1 or 2. Correct.
Why are you leaving now?
Fine girl. Let me just go and take care of 1 or 2 and also be
Yeah, where's your friend leaving?
It's going home now. You reach his side now. It's going home.
I'm going to
No problem.
Not at all. Not at all. Take care of yourself, man.
Okay.
Alright. Rukky.
Oh yeah, now we'll cash now, bro. Yeah.
Watch later.
One love, yeah.
This one your friend is leaving. It's not what I'm thinking. Me, I'm not here for that. Too.
Huh? What are you thinking now?
I don't know. This one is supposed to be here now. So why is he leaving?
You came to see him before. Am I not the one you came to see? He's going home now.
The 3 of us can stay here now.
It's not a family meeting.
Because we don't want to give them.
No, I'm no longer comfortable. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. If it's what I'm thinking, me, I'm not here for that. Too.
You are not here for that. Now you are not here for that, and you drink Chivita.
Oh my God! Chivita. No be on bed they buy person as.
Now you got him for you before. Are we in the club where
I want to
the
start going, Oga.
You want to start going? You say, it was this now. Why are you acting like that now?
When they buy, they
Oga, I want to start going now. What is the problem?
they buy them as well.
Now the food Chivita, why I give you just now? You
don't even shame. Why you give?
Now the Chivita, why I give you just now? See, I don't Chivita. I'm not here for that, but see, you just don't. Transfer the 2 seats.
I should do what?
Transfer the 2 seats for the Chivita.
Are you not shameless?
You don't know why you're going on. You are not here for that, but you drink Chivita. You are not here for that, but you drink Chivita.
I don't even know why I started.
Simple Chivita, why I give you? It costs a rich half. But you are not here for that. I bet you transfer the 2 seats.
I'm sorry. Don't ask me.
When they slap you last time, when you don't worry, you have your mates. Am I your age mate? I bet transfer the 2 seats.
Now they know age mate.
You are not here for that, but you drink Chivita.
Really shout to my head and think.
You are not here for that, but I drink Chivita and you drink. Thief.
Call your account number.
Then give me my type palm. Sure?
Shame.
And my friend come meet before. See, the way they talk, I thought I seen my friend and you come meet. Did you come here for my friend before?
Rich watch and cup of tea.
You are not here for that, but you are here for Chivita. You are not here for that, but you are here for
Papa, put your account number, give my phone back because of 2 seats.
And the way you send the money to him.
You are not here for that, but you are here for Chivita.
I don't go pass 2 seats.
I bet transfer my 2,600. Wait, now I receive my last. Now who you are? They do say you don't send. I not receive my last. I don't receive one. Remember the 14.2 for cab now. I pay your cab according to Chivita. No, did I pay for your fare to come and drink Chivita? Then transfer and
You don't know why it's going on.
Transfer now. And then the same account.
Oh shit. I sent it.
Where my receiver? Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
What kind of revenge chief?
Oh, what time now? You don't know the place for Thief.
Yeah, but Rukky, you are the one who robbed this.
God, my life is a living hell. What be this? It is finished. My life is destroyed. Wait, though. My life is beautiful.
Wow.
Eh? My life is full of enjoyment.
Power in your tongue.
No, it can't be real. I must be dreaming.
Life is equally a dream. It has no meaning.
How?
You are the one that's designed to give life a meaning.
Can you explain more about it?
God designed this system to work for you. It does not interfere in your free will. Whatever meaning you give to what you are experiencing becomes your reality, whether positive or negative.
I'm still confused.
You all have the power to choose the kind of life you want to experience here on earth.
So why will someone in their right senses decide to choose a difficult life?
Ignorance. Many are ignorant. A lot of you lack knowledge of how life works.
Despite the knowledge that we've accumulated from schools, from churches, social media, even movies, why are some persons still more successful than the others?
There are two types of knowledge, the general knowledge and the secret knowledge. The general knowledge is what's popular. what's been taught in schools, families, religious centers, and so on. This type of knowledge does not hold much value, while the secret knowledge is hidden from the public and branded negative, forbidden, harmful, or occultic. This type of knowledge holds so much value that it can change every aspect of your life for the better.
So why don't we have access to this knowledge?
Once the masses get hold of this hidden knowledge, then your oppressors can no longer control you. And once they've lost control, they can no longer benefit from your money and energy.
Can you explain more about that?
If you have the complete knowledge on how to remain healthy for the rest of your life, how do the hospitals make money? If you can learn how to perfect your art and discover your purpose all by yourself, then what is the essence of the irrelevant knowledge being taught in schools?
That's true.
If you have a full knowledge of science and spirituality, you don't need a religious center to understand who God is and how powerful you are. Look at the world around you. It was created by you, and you are the main character. You wrote the script, you chose your parents, and you came down to earth to experience what you've written.
Why can't we just remember our past lives? Why can't we just know our purpose? Why can't we just know what we are supposed to do? Why do we have to go through so many trials and errors, so many things, before we can be able to find out who we truly are?
A perfect life is boring, just like a movie. If you know the end of the movie, it kills the anticipation. Imagine if you know the outcome of every event that is supposed to play out in your life, then your reactions towards those events will not be real. Surprises are the beauty of life. You must learn to enjoy and trust the process.
So that simply means that Earth is like a school.
Exactly. You're here to learn how to manipulate energy.
How did we get to this point where we have different religions? Thereby confusing everybody. Why can't we just have one particular religion, one particular teaching?
We only have one true spirituality, taught and understood with different concepts. That was how religion came about.
How come?
Okay, let's say a mother who told his son that if he swallows an orange seed, that it will grow in the stomach. Another mother told the child that the seed will cause indigestion, while another mother said the seed will block the poo hole. Now, a wise child picks up the lesson that says it is bad to swallow an orange seed, not minding how the story was told. But the foolish ones keep arguing over the concept of which mother is right or wrong.
That simply means that the intentions of all spiritual leaders was not separation.
Yes, because every spiritual teacher has their concept or way of teaching spirituality for different people to understand, whether a church, a mosque, or a shrine.
Okay.
But some of the people that adopted the teachings twisted the truth for their own benefit. That was how false teachings started.
So if Jesus has been able to teach us how to become powerful and even do greater works than him, why do some people still feel powerless? Some still feel like he needs to come back and save them. Why can't we just apply his teachings and become great and powerful?
The summary of his teaching was that every single thing to create heaven on earth is inside of you. You are the God of your reality. No one is coming to save you except you. You all must wake up and realize how powerful you are.
So if God is all love and light, he's a good God, a kind God, loving God, why do people still experience negativity even while serving him?
The concept of God is duality, light and dark, good and bad, man and woman, peace and suffering, and so on. The system of this world was designed not to interfere with your free will, but to support you in whatever beliefs you have. If you believe that life is difficult through your actions and words, then the system supports you with a difficult life. But if you believe that life is easy, then life comes very easy for you. Whatever you constantly see is what you believe. Your oppressors understand this concept. That is why the media promotes fear, lack, scarcity, hunger, poverty, and so on. So once you believe it, it begins to work for you. This is the truth many don't want you to know because they benefit from your ignorance.
That is the reason why they will do anything possible to keep their business moving. Even those who have discovered the truth and willing to share are hated. The media call them crazy, delusional. Funny how some even call them the Antichrist.
It's already too late for them. We are in a new era, the age of information, where all that has been hidden for long will be brought to light. The revolution cannot be stopped.
Yes, there are already too many people spreading the truth. That is why they go as far as banning social media accounts and even banning social media platforms.
In this new era, religion is not needed. You don't need a religious center or a holy book to connect to God. You were born with the divinity to directly connect with God at any time, anywhere. Because you are God in a human form experiencing itself. It doesn't matter which church you go to or how many times a day you pray. You can connect with God however feels natural to you. Be it art, play, dancing, meditation, teaching, and so on. Simply open your heart to love and mindfulness, and God will reveal itself to you. The first step of spirituality is knowing what works for you. Spirituality has no law or rules. It's a personal decision. We are all different and need our own personal approach. Spirituality simply means knowing thyself. Everything does not work for everybody.
That's true.
A time like this was foretold in the ancient times, where everyone will wake up to the truth and it must come to pass. It is time.
Very nice one from that guy.
Josephine, where are you going to?
I see this one from Funny Frosh. Strong girl. This girl is stronger than the boyfriend.
Yeah, I said, Josephine, where are you going to?
What did you just say?
Is it bad for me to ask where you are going? I'm just asking where you are going now.
What did you call me?
I said Josephine.
Sorry. So what's my name now?
Babe.
I know you.
I said babe.
Shout it.
This is what we call, if you know wise, you go cry. You go learn the hard way.
Yeah, guys, welcome to Dola Money Spa and Sons Limited.
This one
for
is
this place, I give you maximum treatment with soap and moisturization. Very, very affordable, but not cheap. In fact, how much I tell you when you come this place?
You tell me 2.5.
I tell you 2.5. How much you come price me?
1.8.
1.8. I agree or I no agree?
You agree now, better person.
I agree for 1.8. Very, very affordable. Now, let's start.
God,
lie down. Lie down.
For your neck. What's going on?
Yeah.
Just pray.
That on the face. That seems like an orange.
Why do you put me to this
like an orange? Someone will just see. I will just see this guy.
Guys, stand up. We don't finish. Stand up.
Streets of
what's happen? I know they say again.
Hey! You need to see again.
What do you do for my eye? I need to see again.
What do you mean you need to see again?
I don't see anything again. I come here with eye open.
What do you need this?
I don't know. I need to see again.
marvelous.
Okay, you say
why you go do my eye back?
Why you go come and spark when you press me 1.8? I tell you 2.5. You say 1.8.
Go do my eye back.
That is easy one.
And now today I just started this work.
Ochilo.
Yeah, what's going on now? You said they should come by 12 o'clock.
Chief, calm down. Check out time now, 12 p.m. And people waiting inside, they will still come out. Just calm down, I beg.
I don't know anything is there. I'll leave you. Let's go to another place.
Calm down. Chief, you not customer, just calm down.
Ifoma!
Daddy.
You? Take me.
Jesus.
Chama!
What's going on here?
What am I going to do? So this is where you came for your night vigil that you are going to. Chama! You said you are going for NYSC. So this is the man you are serving. Shut up, Mama. He shot you.
Yeah, young man, respect yourself. Don't talk to me like that. I don't blame you. Yeah? You won't be so ashamed of you. Exactly. Like he took the word out of my mouth. Choma, you look me in the face, you promise me.
Yeah.
You will know me.
Boy, you spit. I what?
Lord of Jesus, take over. Lord of Jesus, take over.
Chief, what's happened? My wife, that woman is my wife. Hey! Ebola, the other one is my own wife. My God! This one's they came to do threesome. Happy reunion.
The family, the full family is a family of cheaters. All of them are cheaters. A poor family. You guys will come to the end of this comedy compilation, and I know you enjoy this comedy. I know you enjoy it now. You enjoy it. You must enjoy it because it is obvious. It is hilarious. You know what I mean. So guys, thank you, and please don't go. Wait. Go and subscribe. Please subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell icon, and also like and share this video. Share it to your friends. Share it to your lover. Share it to your village people. Share it on Facebook. Share it on all your social media platforms so that they will laugh as well. You know, you don't just laugh alone and allow people keep. No, it's not good. Let them laugh. Alright guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation? Like, there are a lot of favorite moments. There are lots. Let's talk about Mama Uka's son. You know, this man has started acting in a village. He started playing this role of bad village elder. And everybody, whenever they see him, they want to run away. They want to run away because once he see that you're progressing, the next day, almost, you actually be in a hot soup because you will see how your life will be bembe. It will make you cry. That's just his work. That's just his style of comedy, and I like it. Mazi and him like this. and the other guy, Kizzy Nation knows how to deal with these elders. He knows how to deal with them like the other comedy. You see him, he was sleeping with a cutlass, so that whenever they try to call his spirit, he will go with cutlass. That's very nice one. Very nice one. And again, Funny Bros decided to play this game with some kids, and I think this some kid, anytime he won't play the game with any comedian, he will just go arrange their weak points whenever they want win that in girl, because he has been trying this zoop. It is not working on some comedians. You know, some comedian doesn't even know that. They doesn't even really care about that. All they care about is what they like. You know, so this guy will go and make some research and come with their favorite weak points, that thing that will be their weak point, so that in case they want to win his girl, we just show them the thing. In case the girlfriend don't move them, he will show them their weak points, and they will just give up. Because how come a woman will keep winning a man this kind of game? How come? So this time Funny Bros fell because he brought food. Funny Bros don't even care about food. 2 gari, 2 sugar, his favorite. He wanted to submit, like, he said, no, I will never give in to this. But when he saw a bowl of gari, in his heart, he knew that he would eat this gari for 2 good years. My guy gave up. Let me give up, I beg. How much I said? Can the money I said buy me this huge rubber of gari? Never. And he give up. They have not even left after they won the game. They have not left. Started eating gari. Chai! That's to show you how strong we love this gari. That's when they catch for gari for market. Can't do news on top in head. Now you won't take play. They don't know her for the whole village. Just give him gari. He will be alright, you know. So what do you think about this particular one, Sunshine and MC Lion? It is actually telling you that see, no matter how it is, money is important. No matter how those heads that tell you say be careful money. See, money is important. Because of money. Because of money. A lady is now seeing his boyfriend like a dwarf. And seeing the dwarf that he left because he was broke. A huge, handsome bobo. Power of money. Power of money, yeah, I'm telling you that. That is the power of money. So that is it. That is it. That is it. Exploit comedy is actually, should we call it a comedy? That thing is not comedy. What we just watch about exploit, the one exploit acted, is not comedy. That is a very educative content that we shouldn't joke with. That thing is teaching a lot about life. And you know, whenever you watch it, you have some, it's like you fill your brain with some senses and some, you know, some good thinking. If you're not thinking properly, as you listen to what exploit act, you start thinking, where you start knowing some few things, you know, about life. I think it's comedy is about life, the way we live spiritually, physically, nature, and all that. And I think I like adding it in the comedy compilation. And if you love seeing exploit content in my comedy compilation, let me see you hitting the comment section, because I really don't know if you love this content, because it is not funny but very educative. So if you like seeing it, I should keep putting it in my comedy compilation. Let me see your comment in the comment section, you know. So that is that. And also there are a lot of funny things, very funny. Sabalo and Viper the Viper is a kind of way that will teach us how to be humble, you know, how to be humble. When you have money, spend it wisely, use it for a reasonable thing. Don't just spend it lavishly, use it anyhow. Because you go to one party like this, person they spray, you want to do competition with them, and at the end of the day, that person might win you. You don't know. Person money finish don't mean say you don't get money again. Now where person money finish, another one starts. Just as this comedy. And Sabalo and Viper the Viper actually taught a lot about this comedy. Some people will just watch and laugh without learning anything from it. But I think it's a comedy that everyone should learn from. Like they're actually passing some good message in that comedy. Yes. So that is for that. And I think we've come to the end, and I'm done with my review. Today's review is not about the funny part. It's about what the comedy actually teaches. That is what it's all about for today. So we're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation. Do have a wonderful day. Expect more banger from us. Subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, like and share, comment. See you guys on our next comedy. Have a wonderful day.